everyone. My name is Levi. I'm going to distinguish the half core carcass. The different parts, we have the ham leg parts, we have the metal, and we have the shoulder parts. For the ham leg parts, we have the pork ham leg bonus skin on, which is composed of the top round, the eye round, the bottom round, and the round stick, the sirloin, the shin. We have also the hip bone, we have the femur bone. We also have the hind leg, composed of the hack and the suffix feet. For the middle part, we have the pork belly bonus skin on. This is the pork loin bonus skin on, which is composed of the upper part and the lower part. We also have the middle ribs, which is composed of the loin back ribs and the spare ribs. Tenderloin, we have the mid defects, mid trimmings, and this we also have this cheese pads. For the front leg, shoulder part, we have the pork shoulder bonus skin on, composed of the brisket, the jaw, picnic shoulder, and this boson back. We also have the shoulder ribs, which is composed of baby back ribs and this riblets. Front leg composed of arm bone, the hack, and this rudder. We also have this scapula. If the scapula is not removed from the arm bone, this is called the shoulder blade. That's all. Thank you.